There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a tall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
These are just in a little adapter. They bolt in right here, and they allow you to run the E46 325 calipers and big brakes. Well, it's been a lot of work, several weeks of welding and painting and rebuilding and tearing apart and ordering new parts, making sure everything fits up. But they're finally ready to go back on the car. I have my reinforced subframe, Garagistic reinforcements, Garagistic riser, subframe bushings. So this will lift the subframe and it'll correct for lowering the car by bringing the camber back positive a couple degrees and bringing the toe back straight, I believe. So whenever you lower your car, you change your geometries, and raising the subframe can help mitigate that. They have some adjustments, but the adjustments, from what I've read, can be a little finicky. Like, you pretty much have to tack weld them in place to get them to never adjust out. So I opted just to keep it simple. I have the Garagistic Street Poly rear trailing arm bushings with the Garagistic reinforcements. You guys saw me install all that before in the other video. So, new hubs, bearings, parking brake shoes, all SCP Euro. That's all in the description. The adaptation for the E46 325 brake disc and Z4 combo. So this is a Z4 hub standard bearing, E46 325 caliper. That whole setup is an SRS Concepts adaptation thing. It's right here. You guys saw me install it earlier. And all that does is space it out, correct the offset for the brake calipers, and then it gives you big brakes on the rear. So that was a big improvement over even my Z3 setup, just because it allows me to have more stopping power. That Z3 setup was set up for, designed for a lot less power than I have right now. So this is a good improvement. All this stuff is in the description. Anyway, just in case you guys are wondering, this is not a powder coat. This is a white epoxy Rust-Oleum epoxy mastic paint that gets sprayed on, and it's pretty damn tough. Like, it's not coming off anytime soon. But basically that's it. Fully reinforced, fully poly, big brake, rear 5-love setup. And it took a lot of work, and like I said, everything's going to be in the description to do it yourself, guys. It's a beefy setup. I'm not going to have any issues with it, so I'm excited for it. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.
There goes a sight from my soul.